Hi Vipul. Uh,
Hey,
thanks
Kush.
for coming and taking your time, and many congratulations for the great success.
Thank you
And
so
I
much,
hope
Kush.
and thanks. I mean your hard work paid off
Thank you so much,
finally.
Kush.
Thanks Vipul. So this webinar is just for the benefit of our students on your preparation journey, your background, and how NeoStencil helped you in your success. So
Right.
we'll just start with this will be a short webinar. Where we'll be
Yes.
asking just simple questions around your preparation journey and background. So Vipul, so everyone, Vipul Khanna has secured All India rank 129. Vipul has been is a student from JNU, and this was Vipul's sixth attempt. And he has been working hard in this exam for last 5 years. And Vipul was a student with NeoStencil for last 2 years. And initially, the optional that Vipul chose was management. Then he decided to take political science as an optional. At NeoStencil, he joined a few general studies courses. So I'll let Vipul talk about it in detail. So thanks Vipul again for taking your time. So
Thank you so
Vipul, we'll
much.
start with with your family background, with your education background, and then we can take it up. So over to you.
Yes. Yeah. So thank you so much, Kush, for inviting me. Like it is a great pleasure to like interact with you and to reach out to aspirants and help them out in any way possible. In terms of my academic background, so like normal run of the mill, completed my 12th, then got into engineering. So did my computer science engineering from Delhi College of Engineering. Then straight away went to XLRI to do a PGDM. Then I worked for an year in Bangalore. And then I decided to finally take a plunge in 2014 May. I still remember the date, 31st of May, is when I put down my papers in 2014. So like from there on, the journey started. Like and finally, like it came to fruition like 2 days ago. In terms of my so where does the JNU bit fall in is that during my so when I came to Delhi, I enrolled in JNU in MA Economics. So I am also a graduate of MA Economics from JNU. So like I was part of the JNU like family, and like I had that beautiful circle of friends around me, and most of whom have already cleared the exam. So that is how JNU also helped me. So that is how JNU comes in. In terms of my family background, so my father is a doctor. He is a retired doctor. He was a government doctor. My mother is a homemaker. My brother is a doctor as well. My bhabhi is a doctor. So yeah, this is about it from the family background perspective. So this is my journey in brief. So
Sure, Vipul. So, I mean, what is the experience that you faced? I mean, this was your last attempt. This was your sixth attempt. Were you nervous, or were you like, let's pura jate hain, karo ya maro? I mean, how did you approach this attempt?
So like maybe it might sound a little weird, but that pressure, it was pressure internally, but like I was lucky to have a family which always supported me. So like not much parental pressure or anything. It was something that I wanted to do out of like it was an internal sort of a thing, and as I would never experience that sort of a karo ya maro wala thing. So that did not happen to me. In fact, so I changed my optional in this attempt. So many people were like absolutely surprised as to how can you take that decision after like getting more or less close and taking that risk. So I was like कि selection तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा, so I might as well like मन की तो कर लें कम से कम पूरा. So I mean I was lucky to have a good friend circle also around me who made me realize that this is just a part of life. Even if I do not get through, life won't end. So multiple factors combined, I've been pretty lucky in terms of family support, friend support. So that pressure did not like come to me ever. Plus, I had my educational qualifications already done. So like that was always a safety net available to me. So possibly that also somewhere kept me a little calm. So not too much pressure apart from normal normal that everyone feels during this prep phase. Nothing as such related to the last attempt.
Understood. Well, thanks. तो विपुल जैसे आप इतने टाइम से आई मीन यू गॉन थ्रू डीसी, आपने फिर एक्सएलआरआई से एमबीए किया है, जॉब की है, जेएनयू से एमए इकोनॉमिक्स, ऑल द ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, यू हैव एनरोल्ड देम. and you have attempted UPSC. I mean, of course, this was your passion, which gave you confidence over the last 5-6 years. Without passion, coming out with such a success story is difficult. So according to, I mean, what is in your preparation journey? I mean, what do you think यार मतलब जैसे जो बच्चे तैयारी करते हैं, नए students आते हैं, what are those do's, जो उनको करने चाहिए, and what are those don'ts which they should avoid? मतलब what is your say on that? Yeah.
Right. So like everybody who like comes into this, at least in the first 1 or 2 years, everybody's passionate. Everybody like slogs it out. So one of the don'ts would be to like fizzle off after those 2 years. So, but it is very natural that you would somewhere down the line may feel demotivated after having not succeeded. तो वो जो first 2 years का phase है, after which your energy dips, then your real test may start. I pray for people not to go through that phase they get through during the first attempt itself. But if it lingers on, this process lingers on, then it is more important to focus on processes, routines, and habits rather than motivation and passion. So, like, that is what I relied on. I had a pretty good schedule going for me, a fixed routine wherein a fixed time wherein I would get up, एक ही टाइम पे पढ़ना, एक ही जगह पे पढ़ना, सिमिलर वॉक्स लेना. तो सही, that is the do for me. So many people start relying on motivation after a certain point of time. So that does not last for too long according to me. So that would be a don't. So do's would be have a good routine, rely on processes, rely on habits. So that would be a do for me.
Sure. So I understand that don't says 2 साल के बाद if you are feeling less
मतलब
motivated.
मोटिवेशन पे मत रिलाय करो बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली हैबिट्स ओवर पावर मोटिवेशन. यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट दैट. मोटिवेशन पे बहुत ज्यादा रिलाय करेंगे लाइक वो फिजल आउट होएगा ही होएगा आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एवरीबॉडी इज ह्यूमन. सो दैट इज अ थिंग.
Sure. And what is your advice for the students who are just picking up preparation? Because on your stencil, we out of every 4 queries, 1 or 2 queries come from students who are still in their graduation. Second year में है, कोई third year में है, and they are looking to take UPSC civil services as a career. So उनके लिए what is the kind of advice you have to start preparation this early? How to keep it motivated for so long, because it's a long journey that they're taking up.
Right. So possibly I'm not the right person to be answering that, because decision for me was pretty late in life. It was during my job after post graduation. So like I may not be the right person to answer this, but somebody, if he has time, so possibly he can figure out stuff whether he's cut out for it when he's reading those books, when he's going through newspapers, whether he's interested in those things, polity, economy. So, and this could be a gradual process as well, developing one's interest. उसी समय अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट डेवलप कर लिया जाए इंस्टेड ऑफ बाद में एक साथ सब कुछ करने का, तो आपका फाउंडेशन अच्छा बन जाए. अगर 2-3 साल में while you are in your second, third, fourth year, by that time you are also dead sure on what your optional would be. तो मेरे ख्याल से अगर बाय द टाइम यू आर ग्रेजुएटिंग इंटरेस्ट डेवलप कर लीजिए, एनसीईआरटी पढ़ के फाउंडेशन बना लीजिए और ऑप्शनल फाइनलाइज कर लीजिए एटलीस्ट, कि उसके बाद चेंज नहीं करना. आई थिंक दीज आर द 3 थिंग्स इफ one focuses on during his graduation, he would be on a solid foundation to like kickstart his preparation post graduation.
Sure. No, thank you so much. So the students should start, preparing, building their basics when they're in graduation, and then, enter the phase when they are qualified to write this exam. Yeah,
Right.
that's a good input. And so Vipul, we won't take, much of your time. We would want to know, what difference NeoStencil made in your preparation, if any.
Yes, definitely. So I have been a user of NeoStencil. So like I'll tell you my entire interaction with NeoStencil. So in 2016 attempt, like I did really not that well in ethics. So at that point of time, like I was searching for a few good toppers notebooks, and NeoStencil bailed me out in that regard. So that was my first interaction with NeoStencil, wherein finding good toppers notebooks for ethics, which helped me out in the next attempt. Apart from that, I was almost a regular test series taker of Ansari sir, Lukman IAS. So and that used to that test series and the test discussion videos used to be available on Neo Stencil. So the availability of those videos, the test discussions that Ansari sir used to take was a stock part of my preparation for GS2 as well as GS4. So that is when I interacted with the Neo Stencil platform, and how it helped me was like the basic ability of being able to watch the video as 2x speed. Like I was मतलब बहुत ही उससे तो it was like magical. You were saving time, you were skipping through portions which you cannot do in a class anyways. So that is how Neo Stencil helped me out.
So most of our students, come from small towns, or I would say towns out of Delhi, like Jaipur, Kanpur, Agra, Nagpur, Pune. But you were in the heart of Delhi. You were studying in JNU. Even then you tried to, you took online courses. So what benefits you thought, you could drive out of taking online courses?
Yeah, so I was staying in JNU, so I did not take any coaching as such of GS coaching. So I did not ever feel the need to reside in the coaching hubs, Rajendra Nagar or Mukherjee Nagar. So I was staying in either in JNU or close to JNU. So like travel time used to be saved firstly, like 1.5 hour or whatever that time would be. So I think I never, in fact, never even thought of joining an offline class. It was always online first, maybe because of my technology background or something. I always had this propensity towards digital platforms. So saving time was the biggest thing out of it. And like in terms of the everything else remained the same. The quality remained the same. The support structure from the institute remained the same. Copies were being checked by the same teacher. So like, I mean, I did not find any reason to switch over to offline.
Sure. Thanks, Vipul. And we won't take much of your time. I mean, I'm sure it's a celebrating time at home. Give our regards to everybody at home, and
I'll
we
do so.
hope you do excellent work and help become a great administrator for the country.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Kush. Thank you so much for inviting me as well. And like I'll convey your regards to the family as well. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Vipul. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.